Hey everyone! For this week's Canvas tips and tricks video, we're going to cover how to update your course section end date. Okay, so sometimes we have courses that end when we don't expect them to, and that's because it's synced with data from PAWS that is not always 100% accurate. And that may be because it's, mistyped or because you maybe want to give them an extra day or two to submit their assignments. So lots of reasons that you might use this. So let's go into our Canvas course settings and take a look at our section and course end dates and times. So to get to our course settings, we're going to scroll down and click on the settings link in the left. And then we'll scroll down a little bit and we can see our start date and our end date. As long as it's in the regular semester, you should be fine. You shouldn't need to enter in a custom date here. But if you notice that your course is closed to your students, then it may be because they have a hidden section end date and time. So the section end date and time is up here under this Sections tab. And then you'll see your section number here, which you can click on. And now you'll see here we have a little hidden time here that this course ends. So I'm going to click Edit Section. And I'm either going to update my date here or I can remove it entirely. You also need to make sure to uncheck this override button. This means that students can only participate in this date as opposed to the course date that's in your course settings. So this is your section settings as opposed to our course settings. So we'll go ahead and uncheck this and we'll hit Update Section. And it doesn't look like it's updated, but if we click the refresh button, cool, it looks like my change was saved. So now if we go back into our course settings, and if we go back into our course details, this is where we'll want to give that final end date. So put that in here. You can use the calendar to search it, put in whatever time you need. So let's say the 20th at 12 a.m. Why not? So really that means that it ends Tuesday night. And it will tell me that as a little warning if you ever set 12 a.m. So if I actually wanted to give them all day Wednesday, then I would really need to pick Thursday at midnight, and then that's fine. Make sure that this is selected. This is the override button, right? So this overrides, even though this is a summer course, these dates are going to override the summer term dates. Now I'll click Update, and I'm good to go. So that's it for this video. For other tips and tricks, go to heartnow.edu/pdc/canvas. Thanks for watching.